So we left the other Airbnb, now we're on our way to...
Going to Sunndal.
But first we stopped at Extra because I wanted coffee and maybe a sandwich.
Whatever we find.
We'll see. I got this pizza twist thing. Okay, I got a sandwich. We got some chips. And I got a coffee.
Chips. And a little energy drink for the road.
Yes. Nice.
Cheers.
And off we go. Stopping really quickly to get some gas in this really cool area. Just casual. This is the spot. Wow. Oh, whoa. It's all over there. Whoa. Hold on.
What?
I was filming the ceiling the whole time.
The whole time?
In that very moment. Look at our view. Yes. We do this every time. He tripped. And he wanted me to film this. That's the funny part.
I know.
So we're here. We're gonna go get some food now. Because that's what we do.
Pizza time.
Just arrive to the place and then go get some food. Tell Kevin how to use real money.
She told me I couldn't use my card because it was a credit card, so I used this one because it was a debit card. She said still only debit, and I told her it is debit.
So we got her food. Sure. Thank you. It's warm. Yeah.
Found some of those. Well, because this is your intrusive thoughts.
Video he edits a lot more.
Well, that was delicious. That was a good meal.
Oh, so good. I'm so full.
There's all that's left.
You dropped this back.
Oh, okay, good.
Oh.
It's a cool little convenience store they have here.
Hold on. I'll show us.
Oh, that was good.
That
Did you
was
like that?
delicious. It's my favorite. What's your
It was. How would you compare it to the other one that we had? I would
The
say
fries are really good, but the meat was different, but still really good.
the meat was different, but I would give it like a 4.5 versus. I mean, versus the 5-star that Biff Kebab had.
This is and solo. No.